Good afternoon everyone. This is Dr. PLN Murthy from India Meteorological Department. Welcome you all for the weekly weather discussion. The discussion on the major weather that impacted the Indian region in the last week and forecast for the coming next 2 weeks. Last week's large-scale dense fog layer further intensified and continued to persist in most dates in the weeks across Indo-Gangetic plains of North India for longer hours during night mornings. Light to moderate rainfall activity was recorded over higher reaches of Western Himalayan region during second half of the week 1 due to the impact of slow-moving western disturbance. The western disturbance also caused weakening of fog layer over plains of northwest India towards end of the week. Here in this map we can see the fog conditions observed during the last week. In the map where dot indicates the dense fog and star indicates the very dense fog. Dense to very dense fog has been observed over northwest and adjoining central India, and dense fog has been observed over eastern and northeast India. Here in the screen now we can see the maximum minimum temperatures and their mean temperatures and their respective anomalies. When coming to the weekly average maximum temperature, that was above normal by 2 to 5 degrees over many parts of northwest India and parts of northeast India. It was below normal by 5 to 7 degrees over few parts of East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining Bihar. When coming to the weekly average minimum temperature, it was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees over parts of northwest India during the week, while it was below normal by 1 to 3 degrees over parts of central and adjoining east and south India, and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during the week. When coming to the cold wave and cold day observations during the last week, cold wave is observed over isolated places over Madhya Pradesh and Telangana. A severe cold wave has been observed over north interior Karnataka. When coming to the cold day observations, cold day to severe cold day has been recorded at almost entire northwest India, right from Punjab to Bihar and isolated places over Madhya Pradesh. When coming to the rainfall activity over the last week, the observed cumulative all India rainfall is observed as 1 millimeter, which is against the normal rainfall of 2.8 millimeters. Actually, this is the 65% deficit rainfall. When coming to the rainfall during the season, that is from 1st October 2025 to 24th December 2025, the actual rainfall is 134 millimeter against normal rainfall of 117.9 millimeter, which is 14% above normal. When coming to the rainfall forecast for the next 2 weeks, the overall rainfall activity is likely to be below over the country except Western Himalayan region and Northwest Plains, where it is likely to be near normal to above normal. When coming to the temperature forecast for the next 2 weeks, for the both week 1 and week 2, minimum temperatures are likely to be below normal, that is 2 to 4 degrees over most parts of the country except northeast India and Western Himalayan region and many parts of northwest India, where these are likely to be above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade during the week. And no significant cold wave conditions are likely during the week. Dense fog conditions are likely to prevail during early morning hours in isolated pockets of North India on some days of the week. When coming to the cyclogenesis over the North Indian Ocean for the next 2 weeks, there is no probability of cyclogenesis during the entire forecast period. However, with the presence of an active intertropical convergence zone with an easterly wave activity over the South Bay of Bengal, there is a possibility for the formation of an upper air cyclonic circulation or low pressure area over the South Bay of Bengal during the later part of the week 1 and during the second week as well. For the detailed description of next 7 days weather forecast, please go through the link of our today's daily weather briefing that was given in the description below. Thank you all. Please follow our IMD's social media webpage and website for the continuous weather updates.